In this video, we'll go through exam questions that cover the criteria, compare measures of capacity, including millilitres and litres. You can locate the questions on the mathsmaths.com website under Entry 3. The questions come from different exam boards. We'll start with the non-calculated questions and then we'll move to the calculated questions. Here is the first one. Lynn wants to buy a cleaning liquid for the flat. She can choose one large bottle or two small bottles. Does one large bottle have more liquid than two small bottles? You must show your working. So, the large bottle holds 1 litre. Small bottle holds 429 millilitres. So, two small bottles will hold 429 and 429. 9 and 9 is 18, so 8 down and 1 carried over. 2 and 2 is 4 and the 1 is 5. 4 and 4 is 8. So 858 millilitres for the two small bottles. The large bottle holds 1 litre. 1 litre is equal to 1000 millilitres. Millilitres are very small units, the one you administer medicine in. So it's very tiny. That's why you need 1,000 of them to make 1 litre. Oil usually comes in 1 litre bottles, or you can have 1 litre bottles of water as well. So you can compare that to 1 milliliter, which is the unit you use to measure medicine in. So it's a very tiny amount. That's why you need 1,000 of them to make 1 litre. So comparing 1,000 millilitres and 858 millilitres, 1,000 is greater. So, does one large bottle have more liquid than two small bottles? The answer is yes. Which one of the following list is in order starting with the largest amount? So we've got 50 millilitres, 1 litre, 500 millilitres. 1 litre, we said earlier, is equal to 1,000 millilitres. So now we're comparing 50, 1,000 and 500. And we need to start with the largest amount, and that's 1,000 millilitres or 1 litre. So it's either C or D. Smaller than 1,000 is 500. So 500 should come after 1 litre. And then 50, which is the smallest. So D is the correct option. Which of these amounts is the smallest? 500 millilitres, 1 litre, 800 millilitres or 250 millilitres? Again, 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres. So we're comparing 500, 1,000, 800, 250. We're looking for the smallest, and the smallest is 250 millilitres. So option D. We now move into the calculator questions. Alex has a drink after the meeting. He drinks 600 millilitres of water. He thinks this is more than 0.75 litres of water. Is it correct? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, so 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres. 0.5 litres will be 500 millilitres. So 0.5 litres, that is half a litre. That's why half of the 1,000, which is 500. 0.6 litres is 600 millilitres. So 600 here is equal to 0.6 litres. 0.7 litres is equal to 700 millilitres. And 0.75 litres is equal to 750 millilitres. So we're comparing 600 millilitres and 750 millilitres. Which one greater? So he thinks this is more than 0.75 litres of water is incorrect. I'm going to say no, is not correct. Alex sees this jug of orange juice at the restaurant. He thinks there is half a litre of orange juice in the jug. Is Alex correct? Give a reason for your answer. So half a litre, that's equal to 500 millilitres. So 500 is here, whereas this one is in between 400 and 500, so it's 450. So we're going to say, no, this is 450 millilitres, not 500 millilitres. Jamil sells orange juice in bottles of different sizes. A 0.5 litres, B 250 millilitres, C 0.2 litres, and D 50 millilitres. He thinks bottle D holds the most orange juice. Is Jamil correct? Give a reason for your answer. So we've got these in litres and millilitres. We need to have them in the same unit. Either all of them in litres or all of them in millilitres, so we can then compare them. We've said earlier that in 1 litre there are 1000 millilitres. So 0.5 litres is half a litre. That's 500 millilitres. Zero 0.2 litres, that is 200 millilitres. So we've got these in millilitres now. 500, 250, 250. Which one holds the most? That is A, because 500 is greater than 250, greater than 200, greater than 50. So is Jamil correct when he says that bottle D holds the most, which is only 50 millilitres? We're going to say no. And we're going to say A holds the most. Stephen has 4 bottles of shampoo. He chooses the bottle that can hold the most. Which bottle does Stephen choose? Tick your answer. So we've got A with 102 millilitres, B with 1.2 litres, C with 2.1 litres, and D with 120 millilitres. So let's compare these into millilitres. A is given in millilitres, B, that's 1.2 litres. So we said in 1 litre, there are 1000 millilitres. In 1.2 litres, there will be 1200 millilitres. In 2.1 litres, there will be 2100 millilitres. And D holds 120 millilitres. So we're looking for the one that can hold the most. The highest number out of 102, 1200, 2100 and 120 is 2100 millilitres, which is 2.1 litres. So C is the correct answer. Rachel buys orange juice. She can buy the juice in different cup sizes. Which cup can hold the most juice? Tick your answer. So is it A with 0.5 litres, B with 200 millilitres, C with 0.3 litres, or D with 400 millilitres? So 0.5 litres, that is 500 millilitres. 0.3 litres is equal to 300 millilitres. So we're comparing 500, 200, 300 and 400. The highest of them all is 500, so that's why we're going to take A. The duty-free shop also sells drinks bottles in these sizes. A customer wants to buy the bottle which will hold the most. So we've got the first one which holds 550 millilitres, then 1 litre, then 600 millilitres, and finally 800 millilitres. What size bottle should the customer buy? So we said that 1 litre is equal to 1000 millilitres. So we're comparing 550, 1600 and 800. The highest of them all is 1000. So this is the bottle that holds the most. So we're going to say 1 litre. The play leader works out she needs 900 millilitres of milk. Which size milk should she buy? Tick 1. So they need 900 millilitres of milk. It can't be less. Maybe it can be a bit more than that. So in 1 litre, we have 1000 millilitres. In 2 litres, there will be 2000 millilitres, so double. So looking at A, it holds 500 millilitres, which is less than 900 millilitres that are needed. So that's not an option that we can tick. Looking at B, it holds 2000 millilitres, which is greater than 900, but it's much greater than 900. It's not just a bit over. Looking at C, 750 millilitres, that is under 900 millilitres. So again, not an option. Looking at D, that is 1000 millilitres, which is just enough. So it's a bit more than 900, but not a lot more. So D is the correct answer. A farmer gets this order from a local shop. She needs to work out how much milk she needs. 2 pots of yogurt can be made from 1 litre of milk. What amount of milk will she need? Give units with your answer. So order form says 240 pots of yogurt. So 2 pots are made with 1 litre of milk. So 1 pot is made with half a litre. So 240 pots, if we multiply that by 0.5 litres, should give us the answer. So 240 times 0.5 gives us 120 litres. The shop sells the yogurt in cartons. The cartons are sold in these different sizes: 450 grams, 1 kilogram, 500 grams, and 350 grams. A customer asks the shop assistant for the carton that holds the most yogurt. What size carton does the shop assistant give the customer? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So we're comparing 450, 1000, 500, and 350. The greatest of them all is 1000 grams, which is the same as 1 kilogram. The dog's water bowl holds 400 millilitres when full. He should drink half a litre of water each day. Will he need more water in the bowl before the end of the day? Give a reason for your answer. Half a litre, that is equal to 500 millilitres. So he should drink half a litre. The bowl holds 400 millilitres when full. So after the 400 is finished, he will need 100 millilitres more. So yes, we'll need 100 millilitres more. That's the reason as well. And this is the end of the questions.